Valentine's Day mo, gano'n na lang.
Sa apat na? Or sa totoong buhay?
Based on your character.
Or based on your character.
Talagang mamili ka. Based on your character. So, 2 answers, yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, 2 answers.
As Billy and as Eric.
Yes.
Yes.
Kung sinong mag-i-invite?
No, sige, granting mag-i-invite silang 4 at the same time. Kanino ka mag-reply?
Okay, let's go ngayon. Let's go.
Yes.
80% po ng character.
You just thought of it today.
Too slow, man.
Never really. If you're dating someone.
Ay, no.
Ito, honestly, I'm not dating anyone.
Passport.
Bakit si tagal na yun.
Wala na. Okay.
Tagal na yun.
Okay.
Outdated tayo, guys. Outdated.
Wala pa naman mag-i-invite. So, wala pa akong plans.
So if they actually invited you for a date on that day, who would you choose?
Should we close our ears?
Yeah. Oh, it's okay.
Sabay-sabay sila. Ang ganda ko naman nun. Sabay-sabay sila nag-aya?
Yeah.
Siguro para sa ikabubuti ng lahat.
Okay.
We go out as a group. Kasi ginawa na naman namin yun eh. Lumabas na naman kami na magkakasama before.
Ay, sama.
So, para...
Okay, let me help you. Why settle for 1 when you can have 4? 80% mo ng
That's for Billy, but for Barney.
Same, I think so.
Talaga?
Wala na siya. August na.
Say 3 months. Yes.
Is it for the benefit of the show or personal decision?
For my own benefit.
Fair enough.
Yung boys naman, how will your Valentine's Day be? Aside from taping.
I think full of rest.
Full of
Rest.
Love rest.
I don't know kasi I don't ano ko nahihirapan po ako sa Valentine's Day. Ako lang bilang tao. Bilang tao.
Bilang tao.
Kasi minsan na hindi ako tao eh. Zombie. Yeah. So ngayon this year, yun nga, I don't know. What happens is what's gonna happen. So I don't.
no plans.
Are you dating someone right now?
Not currently.
But you do have like girl suitors or
Well,
someone hitting on you? How many girls have hit on you? Like
Hindi na niya mabilang dyan.
okay.
Mga may utang sa inyo.
no.
Really?
Well, my mom calls me all the time.
Okay. So mom's like gonna be your date for you.
No, she's in the States.
Okay. Oh, Skype's there. Anyway.
Skype's there. Just the heart emojis.
How about you, Jack?
Jack, Valentine's Day.
Valentine's Day. Sinong kasama mo?
Magti-t-shirt ka ba or hindi?
Ribbon na red lang. Hindi ako sanay. Hindi naman na ipag-date ng Valentine's Day. Kasi pwede naman ipag-date kahit naman. Anyway, siguro pag may someone ka. Pero wala, ngayon kasi wala eh. At the same time. Available for chat.
Nagpunta ka pa. Available ka ba?
At the same time, dahil nga may taping kami na FWM, siguro rest na lang para mabigay pa namin yung best sa trabaho namin sa susunod na. Pero pag
meron, bahala na. Diba? Or baka kami rin, mag-invite kami sa isa't isa na gawin namin yung bonding namin.
Sama. Sama ba din?
Pwede. Sama lahat, tara.
Okay.
Let's do it. Let's do it.
Ayan na, nagkayayaan na.
Record talaga natin.
Yun na po yung sagot.
Ikaw.
Oh, tumingin na.
Hindi ka pa nagre-reply doon sa text ko.
Ikaw pala yun. Hindi, nag-text ako, sabi ko, you.
Mystery texter.
Tawag.
Tawag kami.
Valentine.
Valentine's Day. Jim? No.
Probably like a date yan.
I don't exactly have a plan. Though I was planning on spending it with my fans, but it's not confirmed yet. So yeah, I would say that I'm confused at this point. I'm thinking that if let's do this for real. No, seriously.
Yeah, yun pa yung gagawin namin for magkano kami malalaot. Kasi lahat kami.
Pero it's okay kung ayaw.
Kinumpit sa'yo. Kasi yun yung common interest namin yung movies. Oo.
Yes.
So, hiling namin sa movies tsaka sa mga pagkain. Yan, movies, pagkain. Lalo sa kape, coffee. So yun mga gagawin. Cozy lang. Vocal group to eh. Cozy coffee lang.
Guys, paano kung gawin natin the whole day? Start tayo sa brunch, right?